Hi guys, and welcome back to LWA, and a promised video for a while, a bit of gameplay. I've been doing a couple of different videos recently. I've been very busy trying to sort out other things in my life. For example, I'm a member of Airsoft Innovations, where we make grenade holders. We're also innovating and making new products which will be coming out soon. We may be looking for some brand ambassadors to you know, spread the word, and obviously that would then in turn mean that you would actually get free stuff to be a brand ambassador. We're also hoping to get up and running some airsoft events through Reaper Airsoft Events, which is an events company which I'm also getting involved in. We're starting off with a free gun competition at Trigger Happy Belfast. There's a video that I've done previously. I'll leave a link in the description. And also I've been super busy just with life in general. But I did go and play 2 weeks ago at Trigger Happy, and we played a game of Team Deathmatch. Now obviously there's no way of definitively working out who's won, but I won the game myself because in the game I used my shotgun. Now a lot of people say that shotguns aren't very good because number one, they're very long, so getting around corners and everything can be quite difficult. But what you can do is you can actually just keep the butt of the actual shotgun quite close to you there, and then you can actually still kind of get a good idea of where you're actually aiming. So you don't have to have it all the way in the shoulder, because at the end of the day it's got no kick on it. So you can actually get the butt of the rifle, butt of the shotgun rather, and just have it resting past your shoulder, but you can still look down the sights and still keep yourself nice and close in, like, you know, keep your arms in, so you've got yourself a nice kind of like, you know, small target. But the reason why I like the shotgun is because it's a tri-shot, and with a tri-shot shotgun, if you actually aim down your sights and you get somebody perfectly in your sight, you're not guaranteed that the rounds are actually going to go exactly where you want them to, but it also benefits you, as you'll see in this video. There one guy, he actually managed to actually step out of the line of my actual shot, but it didn't matter because one of the other BBs was going that way and it hit him anyway. So, shotgun video coming up. I hope you enjoy it. Well, thanks very much for watching. As always guys, please subscribe if you're new. I'm going to leave links down below to the two companies that I've already mentioned, Airsoft Innovations and also Reaper Airsoft Events. So if you want to follow us on Facebook or Instagram for Airsoft Innovations, then please do so. Really appreciate the support. And as always guys, don't forget to wear your eye pro.
Hit! Yeah, shoot at dead people. Good job. Hit, man. Guys, you're falling behind you. Hit, good shot. Hit. Go on. Cover. Hit!
Yeah, that's my car.
Didn't expect that.
Are you alive, are you? Okay. Dead! Dead man! Knock off on me. Okay, so someone from downstairs. I know Justin came downstairs, Rusty, so watch out. Oh! Was that a shot? Is that all hit or oh, that was close? That was close. Okay. I love this weapon. I see that. Oh, I saw that. Yeah. I saw that.